Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can get GIFs files on your Android device. So we have to start from opening the web browser. Then look for any site with the GIFs. Like this one. Now just select the GIF that you want to save on your Android device, like this one. And if you want to save it, just hold the finger on it and choose download image. And this is how it works. Now your GIF file should be visible in the gallery. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.